Hi guys, my name is Deepak Kurge and today date is 3 June 2024 and today we discuss about the polymorphism in Java. So basically polymorphism is considered the main pillar and in object-oriented programming. So polymorphism is considered means that one person can perform in different ways. So for example, there is a person we have to play different role in office, in house, and going to shops. So there is a play as a customer role. The meaning of polymorphism is that one task can perform in different ways. So uh, yeah, that's about the polymorphisms. Polymorphism, the meaning of that word is that many forms. Okay. So coming to the type of polymorphisms, so there is a two type of polymorphisms we have to use in Java. First of all, we have to first one is a compile time polymorphisms, and another is a runtime polymorphism. Okay, so in compile time polymorphisms, the compile time polymorphism, it is a static polymorphism, and it is achieved by the method overloading, function overloading, or function overloading, or operator overloading. In method overloading, method overloading means that in method overloading there is a different type of, so we have what you would say. Okay, the the function has the same name but different parameters. So we have to say that function overloaded. The function overloaded by the changing the number of argument, and also and changing the type of its argument, changing the type of argument. Okay. Also, we have to say in order to say that when we create a method like a public uh, static int and add methods. So in this parameter we have to pass the parameter as the int a and comma int b. So we have to pass the number of argument like int a comma int b comma int c. So like we can pass number of argument. And another way we have to say that we have to change the type of its argument in function. So we have to change the type of function like int a. Okay, so we have to change the data type like we have to use float, and the word long. So we have to, so that's the meaning of that word. uh, so so Another way is that the runtime polymorphisms. So runtime polymorphisms, it has a, we can say that is a dynamic binding, and yeah. So in runtime polymorphism, so there is a, we have to say that, so there is a super class have a method, so child class have a same method. So there is a same method, so that time we have to override that method. And in another so okay, runtime polymorphism, in another example is that uh, when we create a when we create an interface like a white draw, and we have to create a class. In that class we have to implement this interface, and when we implement this interface, and we have to draw rectangular. So we have to create a draw. So at that time we have to override that method. In override that method, I actually created in interface. So this is the overriding. So when we override this method, we have to get that method, and we have to draw rectangular. So yeah, so in main method, when we create a interface, and in main method we have to directly so we have to create, in main method we have to create a list, and in list we have to add we have to add this when this class object we this will be implemented by interface. So this class will be create object, we have to pass the object in a list, and we have to add this method, and we are using loop, we have to get the output. So yeah, that is all about the runtime polymorphism. uh, so yeah, that's about the runtime polymorphism. So we have discussed about the both things, what is the polymorphism and the different types. So yeah, thank you so much.